Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the complete process of replacing the original screen of your Asus ROG laptop. Before starting, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, tweezers, and a clean microfiber cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. To begin, carefully remove the back cover. Locate the screws on the back panel. Typically, there are 10 to 12 Phillips screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover away from the laptop. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. Now, you'll want to disconnect the battery before proceeding to the screen replacement. This ensures safety while working on the internal components. Next, locate the screen connector. This is typically found near the top of the motherboard. Detach the cable by carefully lifting the connector using tweezers. Once disconnected, remove the screws holding the screen in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. There are usually 4 screws on each side of the screen. After removing the screws, gently lift the screen from its position. Here's a pro tip: if you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can help you determine the best course of action. Now, let's prepare the new screen. Take your new Asus ROG screen and align it with the brackets on your laptop. Carefully secure it in place by reinserting the screws you had previously removed. Ensure everything is tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten and damage the screen. Next, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard. Make sure it's seated properly. A loose connection can cause display issues. Once done, reconnect the battery. Before closing the back cover, it's a good idea to test the screen. Turn on your laptop and check if the display is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide quotes before repair to ensure you know what to expect. Now, if everything is working as it should, power down your laptop again and replace the back cover. Reinsert all screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, clean the screen with your microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or dust. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced your Asus ROG screen. If you don't have the tools or would prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Simply contact us for assistance. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.